Here is a question which relates perimeter, area and diagonal in a square. I'd like you to read the question, pause the video and answer, and then look into my suggestion. A square picture with perimeter of 20 is enlarged to double its area. What is the length of the diagonal for the enlarged picture? So that is the question. So think like this. We have a square picture, right? And now we enlarge it so that its area is doubled. So if the area is doubled, let's say kind of like this, right? Then what we need to find is the diagonal of the enlarged picture. So we need to find this diagonal. That is the question, right? So I'd like you to pause the video, answer, and then see my suggestion. There are a couple of steps involved in this. So keep a calculator and be ready for calculations. A square picture with perimeter of 20 is enlarged to double its area. So when we have a square picture with perimeter of 20, then what is each side? So side, let us say, is equals to 20 divided by 4, right? Since all sides are equal of the given small square. That gives us 5. Now what is the area? Let's say area 1 or small square. 5 times 5, which is 25, correct? So 25 unit square is the area of the square. Now double this area means 2 times A1 will become 50. So that is the area of total square. Now each side will be square root of this, right? So we say side 2, the area of second square, which is a big square, is going to be half of 20, is square root of 20, right? 50. So what is going to be the side, the area of the big square? So this is our capital A, big square, right? So let's say A2 is 50. So what is the side length of this big square? Square root of 50, right? So side length is square root of 50. So we get square root of 50 as side length for this big square. Now we need to find the diagonal. So diagonal is, we know this length, since it is a square, all will be 50 square root. Diagonal will be sum of squares of these, right? Let's say diagonal D square is equals to square of 50 square root plus square of 50 square root, correct? And that is 50 plus 50, that is 100. So square root of 100 will be the diagonal, which is just 10. And therefore, our answer is diagonal length is 10, which is option A. So that is the answer for this particular question. Now think about it. 10 is just half of perimeter given to us. If perimeter is P, then will the diagonal be always half of perimeter? In such cases, think about it and then answer the next question. Thank you and all the best.